In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove decimals from Shopify prices, an essential task for anyone aiming for a cleaner, more polished look in their online store. Whether you're looking to remove trailing zeros or just want your pricing to appear without decimals, it's a simple process that can make a significant difference. Let's walk through it together. First, let's navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, head straight to the lower left corner of your screen and click on Settings. This is where all the key configurations of your store are located. From the Settings menu, look for the General option and select it. This area houses several crucial settings, including aspects related to your store's currency display. Now that you're in the General settings, focus your attention on the Store Defaults section. Here, you'll notice a group of options pertaining to currency. To find the formatting options, look for an ellipses icon situated under the currency display. By clicking on this icon, you will see an option labeled Change Currency Formatting. This particular option is what allows you to customize how prices appear on your site, from adding or removing symbols to altering decimal displays. With this menu open, it's time to make the adjustments we're here to tackle. You'll want to adjust how the amount is displayed by changing it to exclude decimals. To do this, locate the format that reads Amount No Decimals. This specific code snippet is what you need to copy. Once copied, you'll want to paste this snippet into every applicable display box in the currency formatting section. These boxes might include the standard price display, sales price, and others, depending on your store's needs and setup. After you've diligently pasted the format Amount No Decimals into all relevant boxes, make sure you save your changes. Don't overlook this step. The Save function ensures that your adjustments are applied, updating how the prices appear across your entire Shopify store. It's as straightforward as that. By following these steps, you've effectively removed the decimals from your store's pricing display. This simple change can have a big impact on the overall aesthetic and user experience of your online shop, making prices clearer and often more appealing to customers. As always, take a moment to review your store pages to ensure that everything looks as expected. Thank you for joining me in this quick yet effective tutorial. Implementing small changes like these can substantially enhance the professionalism of your store, and I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you have further questions or need more insights into optimizing your Shopify experience, feel free to explore my other videos. Happy selling, and see you next time.